Whoa, today's the big day. We're building the new community center. I can't wait! The whole town will use it for parties, classes, and fun activities. I've been practicing my hauling all week. I'm ready. All right, team, we need to work together. Dozer, you'll clear and level the ground. Excavator, you'll dig the foundation. Crane, you'll lift the heavy beams. And Danny, you'll haul away the dirt and bring in materials. Teamwork makes the dream work. All right, team, let's get this site moving. You got it. Time to dig in. I'll clear the path. Watch this. I'll lift the heavy stuff. We're a great team. All right, team, let's get this build started. You got it. Lifting this beam now. And I'll dig the foundation trench. Great work, team. Work, team. Woo. Let's move this dirt. Here we go. Almost there. Looking good, Dozer. Whoa! A big rock! All right, let's move this boulder. There we go. On to the next one. Oh no, there's a huge boulder in the way. It's too big for me to move. The boulder is too big, I can't move it. We can't build the foundation with that rock in the way. Wait, if we all work together, we can solve this. All right, lowering the rock now. All set. Good job. Thanks, heading out now. See ya. Drive safe. Time to dig. Let's build this. Lifting the beam now. I'll clear the way. Ready for the load. Great work, team. You did it! You built something wonderful for everyone to enjoy. Thank you, construction machines. Yeah! Woo! We did it together. When we work as a team and never give up, we can build anything. We're so happy. This is the best party ever. Best opening ever. Whoa, my drum feels so wobbly today. And my wheels are squeaking. Hope the boss doesn't notice. Okay, let's get to the office, trailer, and report in.
A brand new playground with slides, swings, and an awesome climbing wall.
Wow, but what if I mess up? I've never mixed concrete for something so important before. Hey, we all had a first day once. You've got this!
All right, team, we need perfect concrete for the playground foundation. Max, that's where you come in.
You got it!
We need 3 batches, just the right consistency.
3 batches? What if I get the mixture wrong? Too watery, too thick?
Take a deep breath. Let's go step by step. What's the first thing you need to do?
I need to check my measurements. The right amount of cement, sand, gravel, and water. Time to get this batch mixing just right. Keep it spinning, blend it smooth. Perfect consistency, ready to pour.
How does it look?
It was perfect. Great job, to the site. But then came batch number 2. Max was feeling more confident, maybe too confident. He rushed through his measurements and didn't double check. When he poured the sample, splat! It was too runny and watery. Oh no, I ruined it. I messed up the whole playground.
Hey, mistakes happen to everyone, even me. Last month I pushed dirt into the wrong pile, but you know what? We fixed it.
Really?
Really, the important thing is, did you learn what went wrong?
I rushed. I didn't measure carefully like the first time.
So what can you do?
I can start over. Measure twice, mix
Now
once.
you're thinking like a pro.
All right, crew, here comes the mix.
Looking good, truck. Keep it steady.
You got it, almost full.
Perfect level. Thanks, Mixer.
Anytime. On to the next pour. All right, let's mix it up.
Yeah, mix.
Woo! Keep it spinning.
Yeah, slow.
One last spin.
Mix it, yeah.
All right, let's get this concrete spread out. Keep it coming, team. Plenty more where that came from. This is looking smooth. Great teamwork. This playground is so beautiful. Look what you helped build. But you didn't give up. You learned from your mistake and tried again. And now hundreds of kids will play here because you kept going. That's the construction crew way.
That's the construction crew way.